This map that you see here behind me, this is a map of what we call staking activity all around the world. And this is absolutely fascinating. I'm showing you a view of the last 180 days. And everywhere you see a glowing pixel in green or red, with the red being higher concentrations of activity, that is someone or a server in our network running a piece of software that is helping to run the blockchain that underlies the EXO economy. And if you start to think about what that means, it means we have our own means of exchange of value. It means we have our own means of store of value in this software application, really, that runs on top of the blockchain called a token, the EXOS token.